Envy.
For Lucky,
Lucky.
yeah. Wait, let's show them around because it's very new and who wants to go with me?
Me.
No one?
Me.
Okay. Sige mo, Kim, explain to our Filipino anchors kung ano yung what's in here. Oh, there are some things here we can't show because we are young and as young people we cannot show that part. Just that. This is
Looking so handsome in there.
Yeah. Look at this lamp. It matches you. Wait, pero pagpasok namin guys, ito yung masaya, ito totoo.
Yeah.
Ito yung
That
best
guy.
part, ito yung best part. Ito, ready na ba kayo? Ready na ba sila?
I'm ready.
Kasi ito papakita namin. Paano ba i-flip yung camera?
Ayun na yun. Ay, hindi pa.
Ay, na-heart ko. Hindi, off yun eh. Mirror, flip.
Yun.
Yeah. O, go pakita kayo mga anak.
Anak,
Sam si Manyo?
dito kami pa. Ma, sure. Ma, dito na kami pa. Okay, tapos na.
Pero, first time namin atang malagay sa hotel.
Meron pa sa kanila. The ambassador. So, alam niyo kung bakit nandito kami? So, kami na ang bagong ambassador ng Ambassador Hotel South Korea.
Kasi kami ang ambassador or pag-bago yung screen, hindi na
Punta tayo sa
Yeah, let's go. Okay, go. One by one. Hamyun Shik. Just there.
Okay, you have to copy the post. Okay, Kim Hyung 먼저. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Copy niyo yung ano niyo, sorry. Okay. Dapat tayo sa side para makita.
Dapat yung concept natin para tayong statue.
Okay.
May statue. Guys, may statue dito ng Horizon. Oh my gosh.
Okay, 3.
Wag ka
2, 1.
Statue lang.
The Ambassador
We are
Horizon.
Yes.
Pero this is actually because of Lee Sung-chul 선배님. We're gonna eat.
Should we go to him later?
Yeah, we should. We're actually gonna eat dinner with him tonight, and he made
gonna treat
this
us
possible. Yeah.
He's gonna treat us.
Yeah. So this is why this happened. So,
Yeah, so
감사합니다.
Wait, should we go to Isang Church Company?
Let's go.
Okay, let's Lee Sung-chul 선배님.
Okay. Can we go to him right now?
Let's go.
Tyler, your father.
Your father.
Go to your
Say it.
daddy.
It's not my father, bro. Stop saying that.
For
tonight.
your rainy day father.
Okay, guys, we were going to Mr. Isong Chul Sanbenim.
father?
And
Yeah.
that's my father.
In
That's my
rainy
dad
day.
in rainy day.
music
Okay.
video. Okay.
Here we go.
He's so handsome.
Yes,
너무
it's a-
잘생겼어요.
잘생겼어요.
He's wearing
Okay,
yellow.
guys. Pwede na ba kayo guys makita ang aking dad? Ito po ang aking papa. Hello po.
Our father.
Hello po. Hello po. Guys, this is my my dad. 너무 잘생겼어요.
He is the legendary, handsome, angel voice,
Yeah.
Lee Sung-chul 선배님.
The most stable voice in Korea.
Okay, 여러분
Yes.
이제 비가 와 챌린지 해봐요.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
비가 비가 내려와
Let's go.
그리워 더 그리워 와 잘하세요
여러분 여긴 어디라고?
와
The
Ambassador.
The ambassador.
We're the next ambassador.
네, 감사합니다.
감사합니다
많이 먹어.
네 감사합니다 파이팅 Hey that's my handsome dad 여러분
He's handsome.
Should we show them too? Show me them too.
Oh
하이로 예쁘게 나.
We're so shy. We're so pomponeo. We're so pomponeo because we are, you know, we are just kids in the hotel. We're like in home alone. Yeah.
Ouch.
Guys. Masaya lang.
We're going to sit down again, guys.
Yes. So, and it smells very good. Oh. It's okay.
Guys, kaya pa, ano na lang,
Let's rotate muna.
i-ganon nyo na lang yung mga ulo nyo.
But I think it's auto-rotate.
Oh, really? I don't think so.
It's not.
Because on
Oh, let's see the comments. How do you think? How do you want it to be?
ano yung mas gusto nyo, guys?
Because we want to show everyone.
Gusto nyo nakaganon or nakapaganon?
Yes, we are in Korea.
Nakakahilig.
Sorry. We're figuring it out. 잠시만요.
Okay. We got so yun guys. Okay, gusto daw nila landscape na lang daw. Para kita daw tayong lahat. So yun, i-off nyo na lang yung parang like bikini. Pero yun guys.
It's our first time here in the Ambassador Hotel in Seoul, and Pullman. The Ambassador and Pullman collabo.
Yes. And Horizon.
Horizon. As you saw the big LED screens when you entered the hotel, boom. So if you're coming to Korea, if you're a foreigner and you want to go to Korea, you better stay here. Because we have our
Sleep here. Yeah. Dito kayo matulog. Kung may pera kayo sa bangko, makikita nyo kami sa screen. So, yan. Right now, it's not a weekend right now, right?
It's Friday.
It's Friday. So maybe some of our anchors are still at school. So, yes. But how are you guys? Okay, the people who are here, kamusta
We
naman
are just
kayo?
connecting to the internet because it's our first time coming here, and it smells very good. It's giving hotel vibes.
Yeah, because it is.
It's giving hotel vibes. It's giving it. Oh, it's here. Can I show them? Can I show them? Okay, I don't know if you guys know how to read Hangul, but it's landscape word. Oh no.
It's okay. Maybe you can like put down the
wait.
brightness.
So you can screenshot it, and we can meet
Screenshot,
here.
yeah. Screenshot nyo to guys. Pag kaya nyo, why? Pagka nandito kayo, makikita nyo kami.
Eh di pag ginanon ko,
Eh, di mas
gaganon
iba
sila lahat. Nakaganon na sila.
Ako nga pala.
Okay. 잠시만요. Wait, how to not rotate? Okay na to?
Guys. Ganun. Basya.
Hindi siya gumagana.
Very cutesy, very mindful, very demure.
Tama.
Guys, kung gusto nyo makita yung demure,
Linearity.
yun na.
Screenshot.
Guys, screenshot nyo na guys para makita nyo na kami. Alis na
Nandito
kami.
kami, oo.
Maya-maya. Ito na kayo.
Hindi, pre-recorded talaga to. Wala akong ganito.
Joke lang. Okay, pero yun guys. Kung gusto nyo makita yung demure, punta kayo sa City Hall. Kung wala naman si the mayor, makita nyo si Vice Mayor. Ayan.
Yeah, and we're very excited for the dinner.
Yes.
But you know, let's give TMI about dinner. Our dinner likes and dislikes. Because we have Winston here. Winston,
Bawal kumain ng...
hindi bawal. Ayaw
pala.
Ayaw niya ng medium rare. Kaya, ang ginagawa niya, pag may nagbigay ng medium rare, palitan. Papa-well done niya mo. kasi hindi siya...
Kasi hindi ito yung, this is not the first time na makipagkain kami with isang sorsobenyim. Dati, yes, kamsahamnida, nakakain na kami with Mr. Rizal Char. Tapos, may medium rare na steak na napakasarap. Pero si Kuya Winston lang, pinaweldan niya. Meron tayo ngayon, polvoron.
It's Bavarian.
Korean version. Polvoron. Polvoron of chocolate.
It's like it's like a cookie.
Yeah.
Wow. This is
Cookies
cookies. I like mango. Let's share. Ang sayo nagbumukbang tayo sa ulit. Isama namin ba kayo sa date? Kung magbasa ng comment.
Guys, you know, I bet you
Wait, guys, wag mo spoil. Merong i-release.
Lagi niya sa spoil.
Mas pinuil niya din yung maybe this time.
Totoo ba? Ayun, nga ba? Hindi guys, meron i-release na special performance. Hindi namin sasabihin kung saan, kung sino. Basta merong solo performance. I-release yan soon. Stay tuned kayo. Yes.
Solo performance.
With audience.
It's like a different bird.
Guys, lasang chocolate. With cream.
Ito parang nasa rambutan.
This tastes good.
Ano yung lasa ng mangga?
예, 그럼 제가 모시고 갔다 올게요.
Hindi na connect na ako sa wifi.
And guys, so, ito yun. So, ito yun guys.
The wifi here is so fast.
Yes guys, ano to, 500 Mbps yung internet nila dito. So, pwede kayong manood, mag-download, at maglaro. That's free. Yeah. So yan guys, how many anchors do we have right now? 800. Wow. Thank you guys for coming. Hindi ko kasi mabasa. Kasi nakaside.
Hindi, connect ka sa wifi. Meron wifi, mabilis yung wifi. Para mabasa na to. Later pa kami kakain. Ano pa lang ito? Appetizers. Favorite song. Harap. Magbukbang na lang tayo dito.
Mamaya pa.
Mamaya pa yung sarap. Main course.
So good. So far, so good.
Thank you. Guys, pinapagalit ko kasi ang tamad nila mag-TikTok. Tamad nila mag-TikTok.
Guys,
May reserve
ito
na
lang masabi ko sa inyo, disclaimer guys, to all the anchors na nag-worry, bakit ang content TikToks? Bakit walang TikTok si Marcus? Dahil tamad ako.
Tamad siya.
Okay. Kasi walang nag-uutos sa amin mag-TikTok. Kami lang talaga yun. So,
Ako na umili mag-TikTok
yun nga kami lahat talaga yung bahala kung anong TikTok yung iti-TikTok namin, kung anong post namin. Kaya, huwag kayo mag-ilala kung hindi kami nagpo-post dahil lang kasi tamad kami. So actually kami dapat ang
Kasi may iba tayong ginagawa sa
Ay,
likod.
syempre.
Diba? May mga hinahanda pa kami na ilalabas namin din. So,
Yes.
kasi hindi kami makapokus lagi sa sa TikTok. Pero meron dito, focus talaga nila, TikTok, diba? Sino ba yung laging mahilig mag...
Number 1 TikToker si
Siyempre,
Zillion followers.
Si Gio.
Puro ano na lang. Sayaw.
So pag may hindi kayo nakitang member, kasi tamad sila.
Ako, last month na nga yung last TikTok ko ata. Ay, hindi naman pala. Hindi naman.
Ay, nag-post pala tayo.
Basta yun guys, do not worry. Dahil,
Yung hachi master.
yes, walang nag-uutos sa amin. Wala kaming
Taga-utos.
taga-utos. Kami lang.
Ako yung
Kevin Chin, si Kuya Vincin
Ako yung, lalo na pag nasa music show,
Yeah.
lagi kami.
Mag-TikTok naman kayo.
Kapag
Kasi sa
pag
totoo
may
lang,
music show
guys.
TikTok, that's my brain,
Yes.
bro.
Hori tamad kasi kami. Ayan.
At saka nagpe-prepare din kami for concert.
And many more things, guys. Hindi nyo alam, baka sa concert, mag-ano na kami, ay, bawal sabihin. Yes, yan.
Umulan? I'm excited for that.
What?
Kasi diba na-announce na yung concert. Angkor ko nga pala guys, sorry. Medyo nawala sa isip ko. Na-announce na nga pala and malapit na mag-ticket selling, right? Malapit na mag-ticket selling for our second concert. So I hope you guys are excited as we are. Kasi, syempre guys, diba, pakinggan nyo, will listen to us when we say this. This is our only concert for the year. We're not gonna have any other concert other than this. We're not gonna have a concert in another country
Correct.
yet. It's just that concert. It's a special day for Anchors and us, Horizon, to be together.
And let's
give you
just say
special
this.
stuff.
Let's just say this. We are gonna do so much more compared to our first
We're
concert.
gonna promise that.
That's the promise. Is talagang may hinahanda talaga kaming mga pakulo talaga. Na masyashock talaga kayong lahat. Compared to friendship na concert. Anchor's High is gonna be the new top concert of ours. Okay, it's gonna be the best.
Yeah, and pinag-isipan din namin yung title na ano yung pwedeng maging title na parang kasama talaga kayo guys. And that is one of it. And of course, we're gonna give you guys some personalized stuff there
Yes.
too. And I think, can I say that? Can I say that?
Yeah, you're gonna make some personal.
Yeah, I'm gonna
So that's
make.
gonna be like one of the perks for the tickets.
Because I wanted to give a special something that involves everyone. Because I'm gonna be the one making it like the base of it, but of course all the members will chip
Exactly.
in and contribute to the whole process. So it's gonna be a Horizon to Anchors type of
Because like
giveaway.
this concert talaga, we don't want to just be like what is this? To be like so generalized like magpa-perform lang, sasayaw, kakanta lang. We're gonna do more things that are outside of performing. And we can we interact with you guys.
Whole experience.
We give you more stuff like presents and the perks, merch. But not just that, on stage as well, we're gonna do many more things that isn't just the performance that you're used to.
Yeah, because honestly, nung first concert kasi namin, syempre kami, mas umaasa talaga kami sa mga coaches namin and stuff, kung ano yung masasuggest nila for us. Kasi kami, wala kaming alam about concerts. Pero now na we've done one concert, it's like, may experience kami and medyo alam namin yung pwede naming maibigay
And ma-improve.
from the last one. So, mas meron kami ngayong input.
Yes.
So, be excited.
Stay
Be
tuned,
excited or
guys.
be disappointed.
Screen record nyo to. I-post nyo to sa Twitter. Dapat malaman to ng lahat ng anchors.
Tapos, after ng concert, sabi nila, kaya pala ganun kasi sila nag-isip.
Hindi naman, promise
Maganda
talaga,
lang.
promise. We're really preparing a lot for
We
this.
are.
Okay?
Bakit? Ano imagination na? Yeah, so it's fun. And then, let's read some comments.
Bro, boys has a bad day dito.
And then yun, tapos dapat
Siyempre, nung last, diba, nung first concert natin, like, hinahanap natin kung ano yung kulang. So, ngayon, ina-apply namin. So,
ayun, parang nakulangan kami na parang umaasa tayo sa music na sasayaw tayo. Parang tayo na mismo gagawa ng music natin. Parang ganun. Like yung
Hindi ko gets.
yung tayong tutok.
Uy!
Diba? Kasi wala ka doon.
Basta, hindi yung tayo tatlo, di ba?
Tayo tatlo yung chorus
Okay,
na.
wala. Chorus na. Basta guys, ito naman sabi namin. Hindi lang kami sasayaw, hindi lang kami kakanta, hindi ako natatakot. Hindi ako kinakabahan. Basta yan, hindi lang kami gagawin. Hindi kami magpo-perform lang.
Mag-acting
Yung,
kami dun, guys.
yung nakikita nyo sa mga mall show, sa mga fansign namin, yung magpo-perform lang kami ng kanta namin. No. Magtatumbling kami. Okay, marami kaming gagawin na iba.
Nagtutunog po sa aso, kanda.
Yes.
Good.
Good lucks on your exam next
Fighting.
week. Fighting lang. Malagi. Di ako makakaabot, aabutin mo yan.
Ala, nanlibre na ba yung
Roseanne,
ending fairy?
Roseanne, anong problema ba?
Huwag ka mag-change topic, pre.
Kailangan namin kausapin yung mama mo. Bakit?
Hindi pa siya nalilibre.
Sabi dyan, nalibre na daw si Marcus kasi ikaw pinakamaraming ending fairy.
Uy, di pa tapos.
Nag-ending fairy lang ako isang beses. Sabi nila ako na daw yung malilibre.
Di pa
Ikaw
tapos.
nakatatlo ka na, umapat.
Di pa tapos, guys. Meron pa tayong
Tapos na yung dalawa nating comeback, pre. Ikaw yung pinakamadami.
Hindi, this
Binilang
comeback
natin.
ba? Mayroon pa, di ba? Meron pa
Kapag
tayong
ikaw ulit
isa.
yan, tatlong...
Pero counted na din yung
Wala, hindi pa sa bagay.
Bumigay.
Sa bagay. Hindi ka talaga maintindihan.
Tita Jensen o ayaw.
Uy, sinasali niyo pa yung mama ko dito. Hindi, mangyayari yan. Promise ko yan. Promise.
Baka, oo nga, wag pala natin isama baka si Tita Jensen yung malilibre. Kawawa na.
Si Tita
Kawawa na
Jensen.
si Tita.
Or yung lola ko gawa na naman champurado.
Yun na lang. Yun na lang.
Yun na yung bayan sa unang libre.
Yun na yung first comeback. Ito
Pinakain
naman.
kami ng lola niya ng
Champurado tapos tsaka pork steak. So, next naman.
Lechon.
Lechon. Lechon dito. Hindi.
yung take ng
Kaya basta, sa mga sumunod, bibili ako ng ice cream. Ice cream. Okay lang yun, di ba? Ice cream.
Okay lang.
Okay, sige.
Kahit ano, hindi mo
Tigta
kailangan.
tatlo kami.
Sige.
Yung malaki.
Tatlo.
Basta gusto ko yung pag-uwi mo, bigla kang...
Guys!
Mga anak.
Kasi siya yung pinaka-late lord umuwi.
Oo nga.
Pag kasi ni Marcus.
Man, libre ka na sa mga kuya mo. Yes, guys. I understand. Okay. First concert ko with Horizon. Wala na. Natabunan na.
You should share some things you want to see in the concert as well. Because it's Angkor High. It's our, it's our school. It's our school together. So what do you guys want to see?
Guys, what is Randomantic cover? Is that a song?
얘네 정신
Romantic.
Randoman. Parang random.
Baka random na kanta.
Rambutan. Ayun ako mga tata.
Okay. Ano? Okay.
Ay,
Hindi ba yun yung in the mood?
hindi.
Okay. Randoman.
Gusto ko makita si Kim na mag-gitara, please.
Doon tayo
Uy, that's not impossible for Angkor's High. Guys, that's what I'm saying. There are many things. We don't want to spoil anything.
And we're listening to you guys.
Baka may magfo-float. Hindi kasi during sa meeting namin, we were in the talks of like the instrument na kaya namin mag-ano.
I think it's eating time.
Yeah,
Eating time.
yeah.
Konyok time.
Guys, guys, baka yun na daw yung sign na i-stop na kasi baka ma-spoil na natin lahat.
Ipigilan natin to at kakain na kami, di ba, Kip?
Ipigilan natin. Kahit kami kasi meron pa kaming gaganap mamaya.
Kiss mo sila. Bye-bye. See you later.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye,
guys. Sarang yun.
Tara, magmukbang na tayo.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys. Bye, guys.